had just begun. There lived a boy named Kiddington. He really stood out in a crowd. He yelled reload, the Kiddington.
On August 27th, 1883, the place, the Northwestern Territories of Canada. This prime real estate was purchased from England's Hudson Bay Company for £300,000.
How can he be in every cornfield? He's wearing the same hat. I'm telling you, he is following us.
Oh, yeah, oh, shucks.
There was no law enforcement in the area. The place was popular with bandits, smugglers, claim jumpers, and horse thieves. In 1873, the Canadian government created a police force of 300 men to patrol the new territory. This force was called the Northwest Mounted Police.
Oh, poor little guy.
He is good. I bet he's laughing at us.
Don't look at him. Don't even give him the satisfaction. Just think about something else.
Think about something else.
Anything.
I see a rat.
Oh, that's him all right, Dickie. That's him all right.
Stop torturing me! I'm starving here, and now I'm cross-eyed because of this pink stuff. If I ever see that rat again...
Is it funny? Oh, I don't hear nothing.
But little did they know, when they touched down that day, they landed in Loud Kiddington.
Ladies and gentlemen, Histeria now explains how the course of history was changed by Pepper! And if I can't make you a deal, my dog fetch a little turkey pellet!
Huh? Can we talk about this?
Yes, all right, folks! Just listen to a few of the many benefits you can enjoy by living in America's most religious and prestigious colony, Plymouth Plantation!
Hey, like I didn't know girls were allowed to be Mounties.
They won't be until the 1970s. We just thought we looked hot in these red jackets.
Hey, that rat!
I'm gonna get me some rat.
Let me take a look. How do you like that guy? This is snug as a bug. While we're out here freezing our beaks off.
You want to go mess with him?
Oh, yeah. I gotta pick something. Rat on 3. 1, 2, 3.
That'll do.
Oktoberfest!
Medic is spy!
What?
I spy with my little eye! Yeah!
What's the dealio with that? I'm not happy.
Rabbit.
I don't know, Ribbit. I kinda like it.
Huh? Oh, jury? Have you reached a verdict?
Oh, total difference. Bummer.
Come on, let's get it!
Hey, is he still in the can?
He's in the can. Maybe we should give him some privacy. Always helps me,
Nah, genius, not that can. Where'd he go? I can't see him.
All I see is that fruit moving.
What fruit?
The fruit with the tail.
Hey, just look at this bushy tail. Beautiful. Now, where'd he go?
Hello, Mr. Supper. Supper? What are you talking about? I'm the symbol of America. Not this weekend, you're not. You're the symbol of Thanksgiving. And your dinner.
Neither did I.
Let's go get him!
Oh, no. Give him hell, boys!
Move! Schnell!
Let's give him hell!
Oh, you can't say that. That word is a no-no.
What?
Hello, I'm Lydia Karaoke Network Censor. Sorry, but we're having a little problem with your choice of words.
A caterpillar under glass. Oh, boy. Holy smoke.
You all right about that, chaps?
Hey, what the? Pink. That's all right, isn't it? I mean, black pretty much goes with everything.
Oh, shucks. I think I bent my beak.
No, it's not all right. That rat is going to pay.
Sorry you won't be going on the school trip Friday, dude, because your dad's a no-show.
Yeah, all you got is that scary big buddy with those eyebrows and the bushy mustache.